Hello, Allison. This will be some video feedback for you on the print ad. We've got 4 weeks to go, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And know that I won't penalize you for being late on late submissions. Allison, this is a really good, I don't want to say start because it's farther along than that, and I saw your start in the in last week's. In general, I would say, I'm glad you kept your ingredients to a minimum. I think it's effective. Be careful of your margins. I think you need to focus on typography. Take a look at professionally designed ads like this for the travel and leisure industry, and to see what how it's handled these days, especially with contact information. I know you lifted this from the style guide, and that's fine. But go beyond that now. This probably could be on a single line, very small type. Type in print can be small because there's the resolution to support it. Increasingly, that's true of screen media too. But print, is particularly sensitive to margins, and so this would disappear in the gutter if this was a magazine ad and it was a right-hand page, or it might get trimmed off if it was a left-hand page. So make sure that you have ample room around type or any information that is important. Centering things, I know it's our inclination when we start to deal with type, but it's really centering is more for say perhaps invitations or poetry. It's very formal. It's dependent on line breaks, really, too, or more dependent on line breaks, fussier about line breaks. So, and flush left, rag right, I think is a more contemporary way of handling type in general. If you can, print it out, because then you'll realize that all of your type is probably huge. On the screen, we're looking at it small. We can look at it at any scale we want, but in print, it's much more resolution dependent, and the scale of everything. I'm trying to make this bigger. Is different. Whoops. Okay, I haven't selected all of this vector image. It's the woman doing yoga, or the silhouette of the woman doing yoga. You might consider having that large too, strategically placed, but that would make the composition a little bit more unified. Not sure what else to say. Watch your margins again. Perhaps provide maybe one small photograph, and it doesn't have to be square. We have all these other shapes we can import to make photographs. Perhaps a small interior photograph, overlapping. And that's the other thing I was going to suggest. Consider overlapping your ingredients. Think in terms of collage. You can also vary the transparency something. To good effect. And I'm sorry I didn't get the other, but if that's your mask, you might consider making it a bit more detailed one. All right, transparency. All right, I don't know. This is a good example of non-destructive image editing. When I was a student, faculty wouldn't think anything about coming up and rearranging your stuff. The problem is that it was stat paper and real photographic prints, and it was quite expensive to have your teacher messing around with your ingredients. I'll leave it here. Good job, Allison. I look forward to seeing how you apply this to your web banner.